Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to the SketchUpArchStudio. Today we have some new tutorial about the modeling. So today I'm going to show you how you can model chair in the SketchUp. For this reason, I'm going to select my window, model info, and change my unit at the first. So my unit is the meter. For modeling objects like the chair, sofa, or other things, centimeter is much better. So I'm going to change it to the centimeter in here, and after that I'm going to apply it with the exiting. So now we have this character. I'm going to select it and delete it. After that I'm going to start my job with drawing some rectangle. For drawing the rectangle, I'm going to click on it. First click on my place, and second for exception. But I don't know which type of size is good. So I'm going to type 36 to 32 and press enter. As you can see, these dimensions activated for us, and now we have this face right now. I'm going to click on the extrude option in here, press Ctrl on my keyboard and extrude this face a little bit. Something about 3.2 is good. After that, I'm going to use offset for creating my handles and holders. So I'm going to click on the offset option in here and make some offset about 4 centimeters. Now I'm going to 3-click on it, right click, and convert it to the group. Now time for drawing the holders. For making the holders in 3D environment, you must select circle in here, and now I'm going to draw one circle about 1.2 and press enter. Now I'm going to select it, convert it to the make component, and press create. Now I'm going to take some copies, so I'm going to click on the move option in this place, press Ctrl on my keyboard. Now copy option is activated for us. First copy to this point, and another copy with this both selection in that point. Alright, what happens when you convert something to the component? Look at this place. When I click on it and extrude it a little bit, as you can see, all of them has been changed at the same time. So I'm gonna extrude it a little bit, something about 48 centimeters. Now I want to add some type of deformation on my models. So I'm going to select this face in here and use the scale option in this place. Some number about 0.8 is good for both sides in here. As you can see, these holders has been changed for us immediately. Now you can delete these extra lines in here. Very simple and easy. For more details, you can click on this face in here and use offset option to create some vacuum place in here and extrude it a little bit to the downside, something about 1.2. So I'm going to select all of these models in here like that, and we have some option that's called flip option. In the SketchUp 2023, we have these new option in the large toolbox. And like the previous versions, you don't need to right click and select flip option. So I'm going to click on the flip option in here, and now I have 3 axis directions in this place. I'm going to select blue axis, and now my chair converted for me very fast and easy. As you can see, we create this chair, I think, under than 5 minutes. So SketchUp is amazing. If you like this video, like and subscribe us. Thanks for your watching, and goodbye.